I personally think innovation in ARUP is fundamental to the way the organisation operates in our long-term future. You look at the history of the firm, it's grown on our ability to use technical excellence in order to innovate, to develop new solutions that solve problems that others would not be able to deal with. And that's fundamental to the culture of the firm and the way we bring people in, the way actually we motivate and develop people. But it also means that we are able to respond to our clients' needs. In terms of what we're doing, we've got a foresight and innovation group set up especially centrally that looks at innovative techniques, both in terms of how we use technology, looks at drivers of change in the industries we're operating in, to try and understand both what the market's doing, but also how can we respond to it. So looking at things like environmental factors, energy usage, changing demographics, and actually understand how we can apply our skill sets across all the disciplines involved in terms of into developing solutions for clients. So I think from that perspective, innovation, understanding what drivers and how we apply innovation is fundamental, but also then taking it through into more development, research and development, and understand, using collaborative links with universities, doing our own internal R&D, bringing people in who've got new ideas, is again fundamental to maintaining us in the forefront of the engineering environment, the operational environment, spread across everything we do, from business planning through engineering design, through implementation, through change management. I think it's fundamental to the culture of the firm, and it's something we invest very heavily in across the business.